Now this you can do with any kind of chicken salad. If you don't care for this chicken salad, it's just kind of a nice little thing to set out. The recipe calls for the phyllo shells. They come like this in a box in the frozen food department. Okay, now you can crisp them up a little bit if you like. I'm just going to leave this like this. We're going to start with, let me grab a bowl. Okay, so we got that. We're going to start with our mayonnaise. A 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And I always like to start with the dressing, then you don't have to have it in 2 separate bowls. There's a little bit of yogurt. What else do we need? We need some lime juice. This over here so I can see my recipe. Lime juice and a little bit of honey. These are huge limes, so we won't squeeze it all the way down. Okay. And honey. 2 tablespoons of honey. And that's going to be our dressing for this. I'm going to whisk that up a little bit. Just to kind of make it smooth. Okay, so that's ready to go. All right, now into this, our dressing, we're going to put our chicken. And you know, this is another thing, even turkey, you could use this. Make a turkey salad. But this is our cooked chicken. And again, this is a good, if you've got any leftover off of your rotisserie chicken, this would be a good thing to use. Chop it up a little bit. Okay, so we got our chicken. We got, just don't tell people that's what it is. You know. Okay, we got a little bit of a red pepper here, about half. I'm just going to chop it up. Okay, that looks good. A red pepper in there. Whoops, I think that's too big of a piece. All right, red pepper, pineapple. And of course, at Food City, our pineapple comes cored, or you can buy the whole thing or you can buy it cored. And it really comes in handy tonight, it should be, because it's already cored, you don't have to worry about that. And you can just kind of chop it up into little pieces. Okay, does that look like, what do we need here? Half a cup? Close enough. All right, pineapple's in. We've got 2 tablespoons of red onion in there. What else do we have? Some fresh cilantro. So we'll just pull some of this off. We just need a little bit for now. And this gives it not only some little bit extra flavor, but some nice color in there. All right. Okay, now before we mix this up, we'll get our second part of this started, which is our, just to give it a little bit more flavor, we're going to go ahead and toast our almonds and a little bit of 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. There's our slivered almonds, and to that we're going to put a little ginger. Remember our ginger root? Well, let's see if I can peel a little piece. We're going to just peel it off. Mince some of this up. And the fresh ginger just adds so much to that. Okay. And the fresh ginger is really not that expensive. I think that the piece that I had was about 1/8 of a pound. You can keep it in the refrigerator, just wrap it up a little bit, and it keeps for a long time because it is a root. So it's not, nothing really spoils. The only part that's going to be a little bit dry or funny is the part that you've cut. Just cut that off and start again. Okay, so we're going to, this goes quick. I'm going to put that in there along with our red curry paste. Put that in. Okay. So we're just going to wait till that sort of browns up a little bit. You can go ahead and give this a little stir, because we've got everything in here. Nice pretty color. Okay. When I was doing this earlier, I did it in no time. I'm like, oh, they're already toasting. Seems like it always takes longer. All right. So this is one thing you really don't want to walk away from, because they will burn fast. And if you can kind of watch them. See, they're already toasting. Looks good. Like I said, you don't want to burn them. Okay, but you can see how they're getting more golden colored than the white. Okay, so we'll go ahead and add our ginger to that. And our red curry paste. Okay, put our almonds in there. Stir that up, and our chicken salad is finished. Nothing to that. And we will put it in our little cups here. And this is a nice little container because you can fill it right in the container. So this is not real spicy. So I think this makes a really cute little appetizer there.